So hey guys, my name is Soham. I've very recently joined VDD.
My name is Sakshi and I handle digital marketing and mainly social media.
Hi, my name is Arjun and I write content at the Design Trip.
I'm Yash. I intern basically.
Hi guys, I am Krishna. I do anything and everything.
And I'm heading the digital team over here, and I have a bunch of great folks to work with.
Okay, I think you'll get a bit jealous when you hear this, but I'm from Goa.
I hail from Calcutta, the city of joy.
I'm originally from Kerala, but I've been born and brought up in Gujarat and now I'm in Pune.
So I'm from Pune originally.
Saying hi to everyone. Pretend to work actually.
So my day is never the same at the design trip. Like every day there are so many new things to do. कभी client का shoots आ जाता है.
I have my lemon tea, no coffee, no tea, lemon tea to be specific. Then I start scrolling. That's what I do 50% of my day.
Executing stuff, writing calendars, scripts, getting videos made, helping them to get it edited.
Starts with planning with my team, whatever is there on the plate.
है कभी तो design trip का social media आ जाता है. Sometimes there are meetings.
And उसमें एक दो बार साक्षी की डांट और गालियाँ सुनने कभी.
If I had one song to describe my work life or office environment, it would be Idhar Chala, Main Udhar Chala, because that's what I do most of the time.
I'll be there for you from Friends.
Portrait of Time by Peter Ketko. Best song.
It's Bruno Mars, Uptown Funk It Up. It's Uptown Funk It Up. Uptown Funk It Up. Everyone is so energetic.
The only thing that I can think of right now is the Office theme song. I used to imagine myself as a character from The Office, and that's why the moment you ask me which song, it just starts like the do-do-do-do-do-do. It starts playing in my head.
Coffee machine. Probably our coffee machine. I'll just pick that thing and go with.
I wish I could take the whole table tennis thing out of the office, but then yeah, essentials, table tennis, racket, ball, everything.
My phone.
This mic, because it's very important, and we were so happy when we got it because our video quality and the reels level went from this to this, all thanks to this mic. In one word,
Community. It's a proper community of people.
Fantastic.
It would be a very fancy khichdi. One of those which we get in 5-star restaurants and like fine dine khichdi.
I would say there's like a lot of creativity, there's a lot of freedom.
बहुत close है सारे. मतलब be it UI UX, be it designers.
Growing, energetic.
Very vibrant and diverse. There are like so many people coming in from different states, different places.
And there are a lot of friendships. I mean, I've made some of the best friends of my life at this place, and that's like great.
Just be confident. That's something that I'm still working on. But if you're confident and you learn a lot of things, every day is going to be a fun day at TDT.
Work-life balance बहुत अच्छा है. लोगों को लगता है अच्छा नहीं है, but अच्छा है.
But to all the young folks, I think it's a great platform for you guys, especially if you are based out of Pune or Mumbai. Come join us, explore us, because we have a fantastic energy team.
Keep yourself open to learning new things.
Don't be quiet, guys. You can always go walk up to anyone, ask your doubts, share your ideas.
So if you're looking towards learning things, TDT is the place.
Favorite thing is between all of this to skip work and go play table tennis.
TT and lemon tea, as I said.
Favorite thing to do in office? Tea and TT. Some tea with my girl gangs and TT with my boys gang.
One favorite part for sure is all the breaks that we take. I don't know if I should be saying this here.
Guys, let's go for a break. Enough of the shoot now.